Hello viewers, I hope all of you are keeping well. Today I am going to share with you recipe of curd rice or Tair Sadam. It's a dish from southern part of India. It's very healthy, nutritious, easily digestible and very easy to prepare. It can be a complete meal on its own. Come, let's see the ingredients. For curd rice, we have taken here 1.5 cup of basmati rice, yogurt, this is plain yogurt, we need a little bit of butter, here is salt, and for tempering we need oil, and along with that mustard seeds, chana dal, dry red chili small ones, and also we need kari patta, finely chopped ginger, finely chopped green chilies, and finely chopped hara dhania or green coriander. First we have to cook the basmati rice. Cook the basmati rice, I have heated up boiled water here and washed and drained the basmati rice. Now I am going to add the basmati rice to this water. I have added the rice now and covered it. We'll allow it to be cooked. For the curd rice, we need the rice to be soft. Okay, so we will cook it till the rice is well done and soft. After 15 minutes, now when I am checking, you can see the rice is yet to be soft. After another 10 minutes, now as you can see, the rice is soft now. So this is ready now. I'll drain it and allow it to cool down slightly. Now I have mashed the rice. You can see they're like semi-mashed. Don't make them like completely mashed. The taste changes there. Now I will mix to this about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves, 1.5 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, some finely chopped green chilies. Now chilies you add as per your taste. Here I am adding about 2 green chilies very finely chopped. I will mix all of these together so that they are all evenly mixed. Something that I forgot to mention, before you allow the rice to cool down, you have to also add 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix it nicely. Since the rice is still warm, it will melt and mix with everything. Because after that we will be adding yogurt to it, so you cannot add the yogurt when the rice is still warm. You have to allow it to cool down nicely. So we'll wait till it cools down. I've beaten up 10 tablespoons of plain yogurt here so that it's smooth. Now I will combine this to the rice mixture. The rice mixture has cooled down, so I'm going to add that. The yogurt and the rice is well mixed, but as you can see, this mixture is slightly dry. The actual consistency of curd rice is slightly more moist. So what we can do at this stage, something that I forgot to tell you, I've mixed here half a cup of milk with half a cup of water, and that's what I'm going to mix now to this. After mixing the milk and water mixture, you can see the consistency is like this now. This is the correct consistency for curd rice. To this I will add salt. Add the salt to taste. Here I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. If it still feels like this is still dry, you can still add a little more milk or even water. Now for the tempering, I've heated up 1 tablespoon of oil. To this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds first. We'll allow the mustard seeds to splutter. As soon as the mustard seeds starts spluttering, we will add to this 1 tablespoon of chana dal and fry it till the chana dal is well fried. This I'll also add 4 small red chilies. So we'll fry everything together. Then to that I will add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. I will sprinkle this tempering over the curd rice. curd rice is ready to be enjoyed.
See, curd rice prepares really quickly and easily. Curd rice is very soothing to the stomach, so you can have it as a meal for summer months. Apart from that, if anyone has stomach upset, just omit the chana dal and the butter, and this becomes perfect for soothing stomach. I hope you will like today's recipe. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications on upcoming episodes. Take care of yourself. I'll come back with a new recipe to you once again. Bye-bye.